Hello friends, I'm back again. Alright, as I have told you that what are number patterns in tutorial 1, I'm going to explain you that there are few things which are also counted in number patterns but in a different way. What is that? Suppose you used to get the statements as questions like 10 more or 100 more or 1000 more. A little hint I have given, we will just deal with tens, hundred and thousand at grade 3. On the other hand, there is another statement 10 less, 100 less or 1000 less. Children, when we are getting questions in this way, what we are supposed to do, when we talk about more means plus. And when we talk about less means minus. Suppose if we have a number that is 4890, if we have this number 4890, and the question is write down 10 more, or sometimes it can be 30 more, the number can be bigger. Got it? Or if they say 10 less, or they can say 40 less. How you would do this? Children, we have done place value so many times. Since the beginning we are doing place value. If they say 10 more, you have to circle the 10 place number. And if they say 30 more, 30 also counts in tens. You will have to circle the tens place number. When they talk about more, you will add 10. 0 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, and 400. So it would be 4900. And if they say 30 more, then you can say 30 more means 4890 plus 30. 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, and 5. That would be 5920. Same is the case when we talk about less, you would be 4890. I know it is little explanatory. Instead of this, I would say just circle it. If it is 10 more, it means add 1 into it, or if it is, because this is going to be the more appropriate way. You will not never ever make mistakes. If it is 10 less, 9 minus 1 is 8, and the rest of the numbers will come as it is. And if it is 40 less, 9 minus 4 is 5, 0, and the rest of the numbers will come as it is. So this would be less time, this would be good. Same is the case when we talk about 100 more or 100 less. Same pattern. If we talk about 100 more or less, or 1000 more or less. 1000 more or less. 4832, suppose this is the number. If we say 100 more, we will take 100 place number and we will add 100 into it. And sometimes it can be not only 100 more, it can be 300 more, it can be 2000 less, any number. If they would say more, you would just add. If they would say less, you would just subtract. The foremost important point is when you are going to make the sum, first number you will write as it is. The second number you will start writing from the left side, 0, 0, and 3. I know if children would make sum, they will make mistake. How? 4832, you will write like 300. This is the wrong way to write the sum. This is very important. Always when you are making sum yourself, always start writing the second number from the right side. Whether it is addition or subtraction, it does not matter. Now you can do the rest of the pages also, which I have marked and highlighted. Thank you very much, children. I'm going to upload your assignment and I will write down each page number belongs to whatever it is, either of workbook and the textbook also. Thank you so much.